Hello everyone, I am Jayesh Devangan from Club of Programmers IIT BHU. In this series of various Git commands, we are going to learn about git pull command. The git pull command updates the local version of repository with a remote repository. It is a combination of two commands, git fetch and git merge. Let's say we have a remote repository on GitHub and we want to bring it on our local system. So first we will fetch the project into an origin master. The origin master fetches locally stored branch and merges that with the locally checked out branch. Next, the origin master merges that project with the branch and it will be reflected in our local repository. These both commands make up to git pull command. Now, let's say we have a remote repository and we have our local repository and we started working on a local repository to make a new feature. So we make our feature branch with like this, and before committing the changes, before pushing the changes, we want to make sure that our local repository is in sync with the remote repository. So like there are there can be many more people who will be working on this remote repository, and they have made certain commits too. So like this is a new commit and it is not available in my local repository, so I will execute the git pull command so that my local repository is in sync with the remote repository, and now I can merge my feature branch. So this is the folder that I have made, Git tutorial, and I have initialized with a Git repository, GitHub repository, naming Git tutorial, and it is currently having 6 commits, which are version first commit, version 1, 2, 3, and 3, 4, and 5, and we also have have it synced with our local repository. We can check it by using git log. Git log here it is having version 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 and first commit. Okay. So uh, we will commit one more change in our remote repository. Let us go to here, edit. We will edit this file and create a new commit on the remote repository. Let us write version 6 and we will commit it version 6. Let us commit the changes. So right now our remote repository has in total 7 commits, and our uh, local repository has okay, local repository are only 6 commits. So we will do git pull to pull all the changes and update our local repository. So as you can see, version 6 is written here, and our local repository has been updated. We can check it by git log. You can see here it is version 6 written in here. So this is how the git pull works. So we will now make one more change in our remote repository. Uh, so here it is. We will write version 13 with the message version 13. So our remote repository is right now 2 commits ahead of our local repository. So we will now make sure that we are in the main branch, and we will pull using rebase. Git checkout main, and we will pull using git rebase. Pull git pull dash dash rebase origin. So what git rebase does it simply moves your local changes onto the top of what everybody else has already contributed. It is used instead of merge. So we have uh, to new changes in our repository.
This was from my side. Thank you.